Okay, hello everyone. Here's another video tutorial that will help you during your synchronous session with your class, with your online class. Okay? But before that, if you are just new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment down below, and of course, the notification bell and subscribe so that you'll get notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you! As a teacher, as an online teacher, madalas nating nagiging problema yung paano natin makikita yung participants natin sa Google Meet while we are presenting our PowerPoint presentation. And now, etong tip po na ituturo ko sa inyo is that hindi po natin kailangan mag-install ng plugins or ng additional plugins sa ating mga Chrome. Okay, so here's what we are going to do. Ayan. So, ito yung PowerPoint presentation, halimbawa, na gagamitin ko sa inyo. Okay? So, all you have to do is go to slideshow. Okay? So, under the slideshow, just click Setup. Okay? When you click Setup, kailangan naka-click po itong or naka-choose po itong Browsed by an individual window. Kailangan ito yung nakapili sa ating PowerPoint na setup slideshow natin. And then we'll just click OK. Babalik naman tayo sa ating Google Meet. Ayan. So dito naman may kita natin itong Present Now. Click lang natin yung Present Now. And then, instead na piliin natin yung entire screen, ang pipiliin lang natin is yung window. Okay, kapag entire screen kasi ang pipiliin natin, yun yung mismo kung ano yung nakikita sa desktop mo, yun ang lalabas dun sa share screen mo at yun ang makikita ng participants. Now, kapag window, kung ano lang yung bubuksan mo window. Okay, dito naman yung tab, kung meron kang mga extra tabs kabukas sa Chrome mo, pipiliin mo lang yung tab na yun. Okay, so again, ang pipiliin natin ay window. Okay? Ayan. So, let's say for example, ito yung PowerPoint presentation ko. Okay, ayan. Click ko na, and then, share. Ayan. So, lalabas ngayon tong PowerPoint presentation natin. All you have to do is to minimize your presentation. Ibig sabihin, once na na-minimize mo, ito na yung nakikita ng iyong participant. Okay? So, pwede ka nang i-F5 mo na, or, ayan. Okay, so eto na yung makikita ngayon sa screen mo. Okay, pwede nating liitan. Drag lang natin yan. You can just drag it like that. Okay? So as you can see, eto yung nakikita. Okay, again, kaya ganyan ang itsura niya kasi konti lang yung participants. Pero kapag marami yung participants, makikita mo silang lahat dito. Okay? O, kita pa rin naman nila. And then, i-next mo lang para sa iyong next slide. And then, you can go ahead with your discussion. Ayan. So, yun at yun ang makikita nila. As you can see, ito yung lumalabas dito sa background. Okay? Ayan. Yan. Okay. So, kung ano yung lumalabas dito sa screen mo, yun din ang lumalabas dito sa aking isang device na nakapasok na Google Meet. Okay. So, i-next lang natin yan hanggang sa matapos yung ating presentation. Yan. So, makikita mo yung magtataas ng kamay kung merong mag-raise ng hand. Katulad nito. Ayan. Okay? So, I hope na tulungan ko po kayo sa ating tutorial for today. And I hope na magamit po natin ito sa ating araw-araw na online session or webinar. Okay? So, thank you so much. And again, if you are just new to my channel, please don't forget to click like, share, and comment down below. And of course, please don't forget to click subscribe so that you'll get notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you and God bless. Bye!